As you seen by the the title, got the exhaust in. Performance exhaust systems. This what it come in. That's what it look like. You know what I'm saying? We went ahead and did the full M4 system. So I'm gonna open this thing up. We're gonna see what it looks like. This is an official unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Okay then. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this box was gonna be way bigger and heavier than what it is. It's not even that heavy. So designed and sold for closed course competition use only. It's not legal in California, so that's what my bite won't be at. Cali, baby. Alright, let's see what it look like. I feel like I'm unwrapping a Christmas present. Okay, we got the headers. Wow, it came with gaskets. That's crazy. I just ordered some gaskets and it came. Oh wait, nah, that's not gaskets. My bad. Oh yeah. So, oops. You get your little bag like that. Couple pipes. Couple more pipes. Don't ask me how to put none of this on because I don't know. So we're gonna take it to the professionals tonight. Well, tomorrow over at Proven Power. I just want to let y'all know what the the unboxing of the exhaust look like. Now let me actually pull the actual exhaust out the pipe. The exhaust actually come in a box by itself. I like that. That way I ain't gotta worry about it getting damaged. So now I gotta open the box. And I'm not gonna answer no questions in this video. I'm just simply unboxing and showing y'all what I chose to go with. That's all. Just like that. It's just a simple unboxing. So, dang, they made sure they wrapped that thing up good. So this the exhaust right here. I ain't gonna take nothing out, cause like I say, I still gotta take it to the dealer. So, but y'all will see it tomorrow. I went ahead and chose to do the carbon fiber. So yeah, that's my exhaust right there. Let's get it, man. Yeah, man. Y'all will see everything tomorrow, but this is what I chose to get. M4 exhaust for my 2016 Jet, so we finna have that thing shooting flames, baby. Hey, look, so I'm gonna sign off, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned with my channel. 1K Swizz, we out of here. Peace.